Even if your crush talks to you, you want to make sure that they really notice you. More than anything, you want them to like you. Trying to impress your crush can be difficult, especially if you don't know how to do it right or where to start. Most people try too hard to impress their crush and wind up looking fake or insincere. It's normal to feel a little anxious when trying to make a good impression on someone you like. But when you do it the wrong way, it can actually make things worse. That's why we are here to help. After watching this video, you will learn some of the best ways to impress your crush and make them like you. Number 1. Smile and make eye contact. Now that you are around your love more often, the best thing you can do is let out a cute smile every time you both make eye contact. Did you know that smiling is one of the most important things you can do when trying to make a good impression? When you smile, it only shows that you're happy and confident, but it makes the other person feel better. Embarrassing things are a good time to laugh at yourself. Make funny jokes. Tell funny stories. Make it your mission in life to make him laugh. A sense of humor is essential. Plus, your chances of getting your crush's attention grow exponentially with a good sense of humor. And eye contact is also important. It shows that you are interested in them, and you pay attention to what they say or do without seeming intimidating or aggressive. So next time you see your crush, try to smile and don't be afraid to make eye contact with them. If your love smiles at you, their brain will make you feel good, and your smiling face will stay in their head. This allows you to make moves and start interacting with your crush. Number 2. Talk about your own passions. People's eyes always light up when they talk about things they love. Movies and music are great conversation starters. Talking about your favorite action movies or the last amazing band you saw live at a concert is a great way to find out if your crush has the same interests as you. People are often attracted to attractive people. Exploring entertainment and popular culture with your crush can be a great icebreaker. Listening to someone talk about a topic they love can create a strong attraction or even continue on your end. It's a lot more fun than listening to someone complain about something they hate. Keep it positive. Talking about your passions is one of the many ways to impress your crush. If your love is worth the time, they will see how strongly you feel about the important things in your life. Number 3. Listen to them and ask questions. If you're wondering how to impress your crush, empathy goes a long way. Put your listening skills to the test and listen when they say something. While it's great to be excited, it's also important not to overdo it. If you want to impress your fans, they need to feel like you're paying attention to them at the same time. You don't have to take over the entire conversation. Giving your love space and time to talk about their own lives will make them feel better in the first place. Second, they are more likely to open up to you. Number 4. Take care of yourself. I must inform you that your appearance plays a big role, as well as inner qualities. Don't neglect your physical appearance. On the contrary, looking better than ever. Groom yourself. Of course, people are attracted to physically attractive people. This doesn't mean you have to look like a movie star to impress your crush. You just need to be well groomed and carry a glamorous vibe with you. It will make you a real head-turner. Self-grooming allows you to present a better version of yourself, which in turn improves your personality. On your way to learning how to get your crush's attention, you might also learn a thing or two about yourself. Yes, it's important to get their attention, but it's also important to find yourself in the process. Look great because it helps you feel better. Take a long bath because it relaxes you and helps center your thoughts. Here are some personal grooming tips if you want to impress your love. Get a new haircut. How you style your hair has a significant impact on your overall appearance. The best way to determine a haircut that looks good is to understand your face shape and features. As if that wasn't enough, you'll attract your love while feeling better than ever. Number 5. Grab opportunities to be around them. The best way to impress your crush is to be around them more often. This means you have to become a thief and follow them wherever they go. Be on the lookout for opportunities where you might cross paths and connect with each other. Do you go to the same university? Do you live in the same neighborhood as your crush? Does she enjoy outdoor activities as much as you do? Either way, you'll find plenty of opportunities to be on your crush's radar. A good start would be to learn more about your love from their social media and mutual friends. Find out what places they like to go, what restaurants they go to for lunch, where they get their morning coffee, and so on. Next, try to make room in your schedule and participate in activities they normally do. The more you surround your love, the more chances you have to connect with each other. Number 6. Confide in your friends. While it's natural to feel some awkwardness about falling in love, you may find that opening up about it with a few close friends helps ease the tension. Especially if they know your crush, they will be able to offer advice that is specifically tailored to your situation. If anything, putting your feelings into words for the first time will help you gain a better understanding of where you are. If you decide to tell friends about your crush for advice or simply to vent, be sure to word the situation in dark, deadly terms. Even if you feel pessimistic, it is better to talk about it constructively. Not only will this positively correlate with the helpfulness of advice your friends give you, thinking positively will give you more confidence in your love. Make sure you confide in someone you can trust. If you have any doubts, they may spread your feelings around or even tell your crush prematurely, which can do more harm than good. If you're in any doubt, it's best to keep any conversation to your most trusted friends. Number 7. Let them talk about themselves. People love to talk about themselves, and your crush is no different. Being a really good listener can be one of the best ways to impress someone. So try asking your fans questions about their likes, dislikes, hobbies, or dreams. Not only will you learn more about them, but they will appreciate that you care enough to ask and listen. If you are really confident, consider sharing your own interests or stories. Remember to be mindful of how much time you spend talking about yourself, and try to listen to them too. Number 8. Take care of yourself. I must inform you that your appearance plays a big role, as well as inner qualities. Don't neglect your physical appearance. On the contrary, looking better than ever. Groom yourself. It will not only impress your love, but also boost your self-esteem. On your way to learning how to get your crush's attention, you might also learn a thing or two about yourself. Yes, it's important to get their attention, but it's also important to find yourself in the process. Look great because it helps you feel better. Take a long bath because it relaxes you and helps center your thoughts. Get a new haircut because you feel great. As if that wasn't enough, you'll attract your love while feeling better than ever. Sounds like a sweet deal, don't you think? And it's simple. Number 9. Be confident. Before you can think of making others fall for your charm, you must first look at yourself. Contrary to what you might believe, there is more to it than looks. Nice clothes and style are a start, but nothing can replace a good attitude and self-respect. People can pick when someone doesn't believe in themselves, and there's nothing more attractive than a person who knows their worth. Regardless of your gender or the person you're trying to impress, confidence is an essential starting point. For many people, learning to find confidence in themselves can be the hardest part of this whole process. If you're having trouble feeling safe in your moments of success, try writing down a list of things you like about yourself and personal qualities, a great sense of humor, a nice smile, etc., that your crush will like about you. Don't worry if you're shy. You can still show confidence if you are on the introverted side. Number 10. Ask them for help. Whether you have a quick question, need help with something, or just want to say hi, finding ways to stay in touch with your crush can make you more attractive. Remember that most people like to feel needed and useful, so don't hesitate to ask your crush for help or advice. Make sure it's nothing too intense or serious since you're just getting to know each other. You can also connect on social media and learn more about each other's interests, friends, and life after school. Number 11. Compliment them but don't overdo it. Genuine compliments can make anyone feel good, and it doesn't change when it comes to your crush. Be absolutely sure whether you're complimenting their looks, personality, or something else. To speak from the heart and say how you really feel, but try not to overdo it. If every conversation ends with compliments on how great they are, it starts to sound insincere. So be careful how often you praise them, and make sure it feels natural. Number 12. Laugh at their jokes. A great way to show someone you like them, by laughing at their jokes. It's a simple way to make them feel good and appreciated. It also shows that you are interested in what they have to say, unless of course you want to fake it. You only laugh if something is really funny. But if you can find humor in what they say, it definitely feels good. Number 13. Don't rush things. It's normal to feel nervous or upset when you like someone, but try not to rush things. If you come on too strong, it might scare them off or make them think you're not interested in getting to know them better. So take your time and get to know them well before making grand gestures. The more you learn about them, you will have a better idea of how to impress them.